Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Verb. Accept. Past. Accepted. Example, I accepted the invitation. Verb. Add. Past. Added. Example, please add some sugar. Verb. Agree. Past. Agreed. Example, they agreed with me. Verb. Answer. Past. Answered. Example, she answered the question. Verb. Ask. Past. Asked. Example, he asked for help. Verb. Arrive. Past. Arrived. Example, we arrived on time. Verb. Allow. Past. Allowed. Example, my mom allowed it. Verb. Appear. Past. Appeared. Example, he appeared tired. Verb. Apply. Past. Applied. Example, she applied for a job. Verb. Ask. Past. Asked. Example, can I ask a question? Verb. Be. Past. Was. Were. Example, I was happy. Verb. Become. Past. Became. Example, he became a doctor. Verb. Begin. Past. Began. Example, class began at 9. Verb. Believe. Past. Believed. Example, I believe in you. Verb. Break. Past. Broke. Example, she broke the glass. Verb. Bring. Past. Brought. Example, he brought a gift. Verb. Build. Past. Built. Example, they built a house. Verb. Buy. Past. Bought. Example, I bought new shoes. Verb. Burn. Past. Burned. Example, the toast burned.